Hello everyone. This is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to e-commerce. We are here for a better future. So, I hope that all of you are good today. And sorry that I can't ask you that how are you all because this is a recorded session, but it is one of the important session, so please don't skip it. Okay, so this is class 12th accountancy session, and today we are going to discuss about issue of shares part 2. आज हम क्या करेंगे? issue of shares part 2. We will continue the yesterday session. Let's start this session with some positive thoughts, and it takes the same energy to worry as it does to be positive. जितनी एनर्जी आप नेगेटिव होने में, टेंशन करने में लगाओगे, वही एनर्जी यू कैन यूटिलाइज टू बी पॉजिटिव. So don't waste your energy in tensions. Be positive. Use your energy to think positive, and positive things will come to your way. Positive things will happen. सो हमें टेंशन नहीं लेनी, हमें पॉजिटिव रहना है और मेहनत करनी है. So guys, if you are new to our channel and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, and also do like this video and do share this video with your friends. तो जल्दी से जाओ और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, इस वीडियो को लाइक करो और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करो. And also join our official Telegram group if you want the instant updates about our channel, if you want to play quiz on our group, and if you want the notes in the PDF form. तो जल्दी से जाइए और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप को अभी ज्वाइन करें, तुरंत ज्वाइन करें. एंड पढ़ाई तो हम लोग हर जगह कर सकते हैं. हम लोग घर पर पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं, हम लोग YouTube से पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं, लेकिन किसी किसी को अच्छे से पढ़ाई करनी होती है, प्रॉपर तरीके से पढ़ाई करनी होती है, तो हम लाए हैं प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन उन बच्चों के लिए जिन्हें एक प्रॉपर तरीके से पढ़ाई करनी है. Those students who want to study in a structured format, we have this pro subscription for you, जिसमें आपको मिलेंगी 20 से ज्यादा टीचर्स हमारे जैसे, जिनके पास होगा मोर देन 5 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस. सोचो, उनके पास इतना एक्सपीरियंस है तो उनके पास कितनी टेक्निक्स होंगी आपको पढ़ाने की, कितने सारे अच्छे अच्छे शॉर्टकट्स होंगे उनके पास. एंड these teachers will continuously review your areas of improvement. वो आपकी कमियों पर ध्यान देंगे, आपको बताएंगे कि आपको कैसे तैयारी करनी है. Also, we will conduct regular test for you. We will provide regular assignments to you. हम आपको टाइम टू टाइम असाइनमेंट देंगे, साथ के साथ टेस्ट भी लेंगे. Also, there will be unlimited live classes. हम आपको क्या प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं? अनलिमिटेड लाइव क्लासेस. आप अनलिमिटेड लाइव क्लासेस देखो जब आपका मन करे. And we are providing option in languages also. You can either choose English language or Hindi language. जो भी आपको सूट करे वो वाली लैंग्वेज चूज करो. एंड उसके बाद वी आर कवरिंग दी कोर्सेज with micro course, with crash course, with long term course, short term course. There are different type of courses as per your need. आपके हिसाब से हमने different courses बना रखे हैं. एंड सारे के सारे कोर्सेज आपको इस प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन में मिलेंगे. आपको कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा पैसा नहीं देना किसी भी कोर्स के लिए. So all of these benefits are provided in this pro subscription that is available only for 3499. The actual price is 3499, but if you will purchase this right now this is available only for 2799. After discount you will get it only for 2799. किसका इंतजार है बच्चों? गो एंड गेट योर प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन right now at flat 20% off by using my code SCPRO. This is my code for 20% discount. And I would love to teach you at Pro subscription. तो जल्दी से आइए प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन पर, हम आपका इंतजार कर रहे हैं. तो अब चलते हैं सेशन की तरफ. द चैप्टर नेम इज अकाउंटिंग फॉर शेयर कैपिटल. We have already covered 2 lectures of this chapter. If you have not watched them, please watch them first. अगर आपने पिछली वाली क्लासेस नहीं देखी है तो पहले उन्हें देखें. This is third lecture of this chapter in which we are going to discuss about issue of shares. आज हम किसकी बात करेंगे? Issue of shares, and the topic name is issue of shares for consideration other than cash. जब शेयर्स कैश के अलावा इशू होते हैं. सो टुडे वी विल डू इशू ऑफ शेयर्स फॉर कंसिडरेशन अदर देन कैश. सो आज हम क्या क्या करेंगे? वी विल डू इशू ऑफ शेयर्स फॉर कंसिडरेशन अदर देन कैश. आज हम यही करेंगे. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ केसेस इन दिस टॉपिक, सो we will discuss each and every case briefly today. आज हम हर केस को अच्छे से करेंगे. So tell me, are you guys ready for this session? क्या आप लोग तैयार हैं इस सेशन के लिए? Raise your hands and tell me, yes, we are ready. So come on, tell me, are you guys ready for this session? Ready? Okay. So, we may issue, a company may issue shares for consideration other than cash. एक कंपनी शेयर्स के मतलब एक कंपनी कैश के अलावा भी शेयर्स इशू कर सकती है. हमने कल जो किया था उसमें कंपनी क्या कर रही थी? पैसे ले रही थी, शेयर्स दे रही थी. Yesterday we were issuing shares for cash, but today we will not take cash. आज हम कैश नहीं लेंगे. आज हम कैश नहीं लेंगे. So today we will do issue of shares for consideration. There will be some consideration, but other than cash. कुछ ना कुछ तो लेंगे लेकिन कैश नहीं लेंगे, क्योंकि कैश में क्या होगा? कोरोना होगा, तो कैश नहीं लेना. तो such issue is possible under the following circumstances. Such issue is possible under the following cases where the shares are issued to. जहां पर shares issue करे जाएंगे to the vendor. Now, who is vendor? Vendor is that person from whom we purchase assets. जिससे हम कोई भी सामान खरीदते हैं on credit, that person is known as vendor. If you are purchasing goods from me, so I am a vendor for you. मैं आपके लिए क्या हूँ? Vendor हूँ. So, the first case is shares are issued to vendor. हम shares किसको दे रहे हैं? Vendor को दे रहे हैं. क्यों दे रहे हैं मैम shares vendor को? क्यों दे रहे हैं? हमारा रिश्तेदार है वो? नहीं, हमारा रिश्तेदार नहीं है. हम शेयर्स इसलिए दे रहे हैं क्योंकि वी आर परचेजिंग एसेट और बिजनेस फ्रॉम द वेंडर. वी आर इशूइंग शेयर्स टू द वेंडर अगेंस्ट परचेज ऑफ एसेट और परचेज ऑफ बिजनेस. या तो हम वेंडर से एसेट खरीदेंगे या फिर हम वेंडर से बिजनेस खरीदेंगे. एंड in return of purchase we will issue shares to them. हम वेंडर को पैसा नहीं देंगे. पैसे देंगे तो कोरोना हो जाएगा. So in return we will issue shares to vendor. So the first case is shares are issued to vendor for either purchase of asset or purchase of business. Now there are two cases. या तो आप एसेट खरीदोगे या फिर आप बिजनेस खरीदोगे. आइदर वी विल परचेज एसेट और वी विल परचेज एंटायर बिजनेस. पूरा का पूरा बिजनेस खरीद लिया हमने या हमने एसेट्स खरीदे. So first we are going to discuss about purchase of asset. When we purchase assets from the vendor, what will be the accounting treatment? जब हम assets खरीदेंगे vendor से तब क्या journal entry होगी? तो पहला केस है if shares are issued for purchase of asset. You are purchasing asset. तो बताइए बच्चों, जब हम एसेट खरीदते हैं तो हम एसेट को डेबिट करते हैं या हम एसेट को क्रेडिट करते हैं? बताओ, एसेट डेबिट होगा या एसेट क्रेडिट होगा? टेल मी इन द चैट बॉक्स. When you are purchasing asset, you will debit assets or you will credit assets. So yes, the answer is debit because we are purchasing asset. Asset will increase and increase in asset is debited. अरे मैम, ये तो हमने 11th में कितनी बार करा है. Increase in asset debit, decrease in asset credit. So we will debit asset and we will credit vendor. We will debit asset and we will credit vendor. मैम, वेंडर को क्यों क्रेडिट करेंगे? क्योंकि हमें वेंडर को पैसा देना है. हमें वेंडर को पैसा देना है, वो हमारा क्रेडिटर है, वो हमारी लाइबिलिटी है. So when you purchase assets from the vendor, the journal entry will be sundry assets debit, increase in asset debit, to vendor, increase in liability credit. ये होगी जर्नल एंट्री जब आपने एसेट्स खरीदे. नाउ सेकंड केस बी, इफ the shares are issued for purchase of business. अब हमारे पास इतना पैसा आ गया कि हमने सारे के सारा बिजनेस ही खरीद लिया. बहुत सारा पैसा है, हमने क्या करा? सारा का सारा बिजनेस खरीद लिया. नाउ व्हेन यू परचेज बिजनेस, जब हम बोलते हैं कि हमने बिजनेस खरीदा, इसका मतलब आपने एसेट्स भी खरीदे, आपने लाइबिलिटीज भी खरीदी. You are purchasing not only assets, you are purchasing liability also. आप पूरा का पूरा बिजनेस खरीद रहे हो, इसका मतलब आप एसेट्स भी खरीद रहे हो और लाइबिलिटीज भी खरीद रहे हो. So when a business is purchased, both assets and liabilities are taken over for a consideration. हमने एसेट एंड लाइबिलिटी दोनों खरीद लिए फॉर अ कंसिडरेशन. कंसिडरेशन क्या होती है? वो पैसा जो हमें देना है. फॉर द अमाउंट विच कैन बी इक्वल टू, विच कैन बी मोर देन और विच कैन बी लेस देन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन वैल्यू ऑफ एसेट एंड लाइबिलिटी. You are purchasing the business for a consideration, for an amount which can be equal to the difference between asset and liability, which can be more than the difference or which can be less than the difference. So there will be 3 journal entry, 3 cases in this. यहाँ पर 3 journal entry होंगी. When the consideration is equal to the difference, when the consideration is more than the difference, when the consideration is less than the difference. So there will be 3 cases and 3 journal entry. तो आइए देखते हैं कि journal entry क्या होगी. So we are purchasing both asset and liability. एसेट खरीदे, इंक्रीज इन एसेट डेबिट. लाइबिलिटी खरीदी, इंक्रीज इन लाइबिलिटी क्रेडिट. एंड वेंडर को पैसा भी तो देना है. सो वेंडर credit. Sundry asset to sundry liability to vendor. Now, for example, आपने खरीदे assets 10 लाख के, आपने खरीदी liabilities 6 लाख की. So, purchase consideration if not given in the question, अगर purchase consideration given नहीं है question में, तो the purchase consideration will be the difference between both. In case purchase consideration is not given, purchase consideration given नहीं है, तो आप क्या लोगे? दोनों के बीच का difference, and it will be 4 lakh rupees. Purchase consideration will be 4 lakh rupees. So 10 lakh minus 6 lakh, 4 lakh. Now, this is the first case when the consideration 4 lakh is equal to the difference between both. Consideration is equal to the difference between asset and liability. So तब क्या journal entry होगी? Sundry assets debit to sundry liability to vendor. This is the journal entry. Now coming on to the second case. ये तो हमने केस कर लिया, इसमें जर्नल एंट्री क्या पास करी हमने? सन्ड्री एसेट डेबिट टू सन्ड्री लाइबिलिटी टू वेंडर when the consideration is equal to the difference between asset and liability. Now coming on to the next case, when the consideration is more than the, if the consideration is more than the difference between value of asset and liability, consideration is more than the difference. For example, हमारा difference कितना था? Difference between asset and liability was 4 lakh and consideration is 6 lakh. So consideration 6 lakh is more than the difference. Consideration is more than the difference. 6 lakh is more than 4 lakh. So what will be the treatment in this case? यहाँ क्या treatment होगी मैम? So the journal entry will be same. पहले same entry पास करते हैं. Sundry assets account debit to sundry liabilities account to vendor account. This is the normal entry when the business is purchased. ये entry पास होती है. Now we will record the amount. हमने assets खरीदे 10 लाख के, हमने liabilities खरीदी 6 लाख की, and purchase consideration given in the question is 6 lakh. Purchase consideration given है. Now you can see that total of credit is more than the total of debit. Credit side is more than the debit side. So debit side क्या है? कम है. Debit side क्या है? कम है. So the difference will be debited to the goodwill account. Difference will be debited to the goodwill account 2 lakh. So if credit side is more than the debit side, you will debit the difference in the goodwill account. We will debit goodwill account. So if the consideration is more than the difference, the journal entry will be sundry assets debit, goodwill debit to sundry liability to vendor. This will be the journal entry. Now coming on to the third case, when the consideration is less than the difference. Difference between asset and liability was 4 lakh and purchase consideration is 1,50,000. So consideration is less than the difference. So first we will pass the normal entry. Sundry assets account debit to sundry liabilities to vendor. We will pass the normal journal entry and we will record the amount. 10 lakh, 6 lakh, 1,50,000. Now, the debit side is more than the credit side. The debit side is more than the credit side. So, the balance will be credited to capital reserve. The balance will be credited to capital reserve. So the conclusion is, if debit side is less, we will debit goodwill account. If credit side is less, we will credit capital reserve. अगर डेबिट साइड कम है तो गुडविल को डेबिट कर दो, अगर क्रेडिट साइड कम है तो कैपिटल रिजर्व को क्रेडिट कर दो. And this is your journal entry. Sundry assets debit to sundry liability to vendor to capital reserve. This will be your journal entry when the consideration is less than the difference. So, these are the three entries when the shares are issued for purchase of बिजनेस, अगेंस्ट परचेज ऑफ बिजनेस. बट क्या आपने ध्यान दिया, अभी हमने शेयर्स इशू नहीं करे. टिल नाउ वी हैव नॉट इशूड शेयर. अभी तक हमने सिर्फ एसेट्स खरीदे और बिजनेस खरीदा. टिल नाउ वी हैव ओनली पास द एंट्री फॉर परचेज. वी हैव पास नो एंट्री फॉर इशू ऑफ शेयर्स. अभी हमने इशू की कोई भी एंट्री पास नहीं करी. So, now coming on to the accounting entry for issue of shares. For issue of shares to vendor. अब जब हम shares देंगे, till now we were only purchasing asset. Till now we were only purchasing furniture. Now we will pass the main entry in which we will issue shares. अब हम लोग शेयर्स इशू करेंगे. एंड एज वी नो दैट शेयर्स मे बी इशूड एट पार और शेयर्स मे बी इशूड एट डिस्काउंट, सॉरी एट प्रीमियम. मैम शेयर्स डिस्काउंट पे तो इशू हो ही नहीं सकते, है ना. सो नाउ आइदर द शेयर्स विल बी इशूड एट पार और एट प्रीमियम. या तो हम पार पे इशू करेंगे या हम प्रीमियम पे इशू करेंगे. So the first case is when the shares are issued at par. The journal entry will be vendor debit. Now you will debit vendor because you are making payment, so your liability will decrease. Your liability will decrease and decrease in liability is debited. Vendor debit to share capital. When you will issue shares to the vendor, the journal entry will be vendor's account debit to share capital. If the shares are issued at premium, the journal entry will be vendor's account debit to share capital. To share capital to securities premium reserve. If the shares are issued at premium, the journal entry will be vendor's account debit to share capital to securities premium reserve. Now, let's take an example for this. The question is, we purchased a machine from Varun at 11 lakh rupees and issued shares of rupees 10 each and issued shares of rupees 10 each pass necessary journal entry in following cases. In following cases. First case is if shares are issued at par. If shares are issued at par, and the second case is if shares are issued at premium. If shares are issued at premium. So the question is, we have purchased a machine from Varun of rupees 11 lakh and issued shares of rupees 10 each. Pass the necessary journal entries if the shares are issued at par and if the shares are issued at premium of 10%. If the shares are issued at premium of 10%. So first we will solve the first case. If the shares are issued at par, first entry will be machinery debit to vendor to Varun. Sundry assets debit to vendor. जब हम एसेट खरीदते हैं तो एंट्री क्या होती है? Assets debit to vendor. So machinery debit to vendor 11 lakh rupees. 11 lakh rupees. Second journal entry will be vendor debit to share capital. Vendor debit to share capital. So, मुझे कितने पैसे देने हैं वरुण को? 11 lakh rupees. So, I will debit Varun by 11 lakh rupees. Now, the question arises. How much number of shares will be issued? कितने शेयर्स दिए जाएं टू वरुण? कितने शेयर्स देंगे हम वरुण को? So, in this case, when the shares are issued for consideration other than cash, we have to calculate the number of shares to be issued. We have to calculate number of shares to be issued. And how we will calculate it? We will divide purchase consideration. We will divide purchase consideration by the issue price. By the issue price, not the face value, not the nominal value. You will divide the purchase consideration by the issue price. So in this case, the purchase consideration is 11 lakh. Issue price is 10 because it is issued at par. So number of shares will be 1,10,000. Number of shares will be 1,10,000 shares. So how many shares will be issued to Varun? 1,10,000. So in share capital, we will write 1,10,000 shares multiplied by 10. 1,10,000 shares multiplied by 10 and the final amount will be 11 lakh. तो आप बोलोगे मैम अमाउंट तो सेम ही है, लेकिन हमें पेपर में ये कैलकुलेशन दिखानी है. यू हैव टू प्रेजेंट दिस वर्किंग नोट इन योर एग्जाम, अदरवाइज एग्जामिनर विल गिव यू अ बिग अंडा. एग्जामिनर क्या देगा? 0 देगा. ठीक है, तो हमें वर्किंग नोट बनाना है. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू दी सेकेंड केस. Now coming on to the second case, when the shares are issued at premium. When the shares are issued at premium. So first entry will remain same. We have purchased machinery. Machinery to Varun. The second entry will be Varun. The second entry will be Varun account debit to share capital to securities premium reserve, because the shares are issued at premium. Vendor to share capital to securities premium reserve. Now हमें वरुण को कितने पैसे देने हैं? 11 लाख रुपीस. अब यहां बताओ कि कितनी अमाउंट लिखोगे शेयर कैपिटल में और कितनी अमाउंट लिखोगे सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम रिजर्व में. वहां तो आसान था, एट पार वाले में इक्वल अमाउंट थी. नाउ दिस इज द केस. हाउ मच अमाउंट वी विल राइट इन शेयर कैपिटल and how much amount we will write in securities premium reserve? So we will calculate number of shares. We will calculate number of shares. So it is issued at premium. It is issued at premium of 10%. So 10% कितना हुआ? The face value is 10. 10% of 10 will be 1. 10% of 10 will be 1. So shares are issued at 10 plus premium 11 rupees. The issue price is 11. 10 वाला शेयर हमने 1 रुपए प्रीमियम पे इशू किया, तो कितने में इशू किया? 11 में. The issue price is 11. The issue price is 11. Now we will calculate. Now we will calculate the number of shares. So number of shares is equal to purchase consideration divided by issue price. Divided by issue price. So purchase consideration is 11 lakh and issue price is 11. So it will be 1 lakh shares. How many shares? 1 lakh shares will be issued. So now in share capital we will write 1 lakh multiply by face value nominal value 10. In security premium reserve we will write 1 lakh multiply by 1 multiply by premium. This will be the journal entry and the amount will be 10 lakh and 1 lakh. So machinery to Varun 11 lakh, Varun 11 lakh, to share capital 10 lakh, to securities premium 1 lakh. And you have to must prepare this working note in your exam. So ये हमें जरूर बना के आना है. So these are the journal entries when the shares are issued to the vendor. Vendor to share capital if issued at par. Vendor to share capital to securities premium reserve if issued at premium. And the number of shares will be calculated as purchase consideration divided by issue price of share. We will divide purchase consideration by issue price. So now coming on to the next case. Till now the shares were issued to vendor. Now we will issue shares to promoter. Now the next case is accounting entry for issue of shares to promoter. Shares are also issued to promoter for the services rendered by them. So such issue is made for services rendered by promoter. Promoter ने जो भी services provide की है उनके बदले में हम उन्हें क्या दे रहे हैं? Shares दे रहे हैं. We are not paying money, we are not paying cash. In return of services, we are issuing shares to them for incorporating the company. So, what will be the journal entry if these shares are issued to promoter? The first entry will be for the expenses. The first entry will be for the expenses. Incorporating expenses or formation expenses debit. Incorporating cost or formation expenses debit to promoter. To promoter, because promoters are your creditor right now. You have to pay them. So expenses debit to promoter. Then we will issue shares to the promoter. And the journal entry will be promoters debit to share capital. Promoters debit to share capital. So, the first journal entry will be incorporating expenses or formation expenses account debit to promoters account. And the second journal entry will be promoters account debit to share capital, when the shares are issued to promoters. Now, the next case is if the shares are issued to underwriters. Accounting entry for issue of share to underwriter. Now, who are underwriters, ma'am? Who are underwriter? So, a company may appoint person for subscribing their share. हो सकता है कि जनरल पब्लिक कंपनी के शेयर्स नहीं सब्सक्राइब कर रही. The general public is not subscribing to the shares of the company. So what will company do? Company will appoint a person and that person will help the company in subscription of shares. या तो वो अपने रिश्तेदारों को दे देगा शेयर्स या वो कंपनियों के पास जाएगा. So underwriter will help the company in subscription of shares. Now, क्या अंडरराइटर ये काम फ्री में करेगा? नहीं, वो क्या लेगा? पैसा लेगा, कमीशन लेगा. Underwriter will charge some commission. So, such issue is made. Such shares are issued for the services rendered by the underwriter. जो भी उसने सर्विसेज हमें प्रोवाइड करी उसके बदले में हम उसे क्या दे रहे हैं? शेयर्स दे रहे हैं. एंड the underwriter agrees to take share. Underwriter तैयार है शेयर्स लेने के लिए instead of charging commission in cash. वो कैश में नहीं लेगा, वो क्या लेगा? शेयर्स लेगा हमसे. उसने बोला मुझे पैसे मत दो, मुझे आप शेयर्स दे दो. So we are giving shares to underwriter. So first entry will be underwriting commission debit, expense debit to underwriter. Underwriter commission debit to underwriter. And then we will issue shares. Underwriter debit to share capital. Underwriter debit to share capital. So first entry will be underwriting commission debit to underwriter and second entry will be underwriter debit to share capital. Underwriter debit to share capital. So these are all the cases when the shares are issued for consideration other than cash. जब हम कैश के अलावा इशू करते हैं. Now we will look at their treatment in the balance sheet. How they are disclosed in the balance sheet. So the next topic is disclosure in the balance sheet. So shares issued for consideration other than cash are disclosed in the balance sheet under subscribed capital. We will disclose these shares under subscribed capital. And these shares may be further, subscribed and fully paid up. या तो ये शेयर सब्सक्राइब्ड एंड फुली पेड अप होंगे, मतलब कंपनी ने सारा पैसा कॉल कर लिया और शेयर होल्डर ने सारा पैसा पे कर दिया. दे आर फुली कॉल्ड अप, दे आर फुली पेड अप. Or they will be subscribed but not fully paid up. या तो वो subscribed and fully paid up होंगे या फिर subscribed but not fully paid up. Subscribed but not fully paid up मतलब या तो कंपनी ने पूरा पैसा कॉल नहीं किया या फिर शेयर होल्डर्स ने पूरा पैसा पे नहीं किया. आइदर इट इज नॉट फुली कॉल्ड अप और इट इज नॉट फुली पेड अप. So this may be further subscribe and fully paid up or subscribe but not fully paid up, as the case may be, and they will be shown in the notes to account under share capital. You will show them in notes to account. So this is disclosure in the balance sheet. So that's it. This topic is complete. All the cases are complete. Now we will do one question of this topic. अब अपन लोग क्या करेंगे, एक क्वेश्चन करेंगे. So the question is, Verma Limited purchase a machinery from Satish for rupees 1 lakh, payable in fully paid up shares of rupees 10 each. Pass the necessary journal entries if the shares are issued at par. The shares are issued at par. So first journal entry will be machinery account, debit to vendor to Satish account, 1 lakh rupees. First entry will be machinery to Satish, and the second journal entry will be vendor to share capital. So second entry will be Satish account debit to share capital. The amount will be 1 lakh and 1 lakh because shares are issued at par. But you have to prepare working note for number of shares. So how many shares will be issued? 1 lakh purchase consideration divided by issue price 10. 10,000 shares will be issued. How many shares will be issued? 10,000. So entry will be machinery to Satish and Satish to share capital. So this is your solution. These are the two journal entries. So that's it for today, guys. I hope that this topic is clear to you. If there is any doubt in this topic, please let me know in the comments box. And tomorrow we will do calls in arrears and calls in advance. So stay tuned for the tomorrow session. And now it's your homework time. So this question is your homework, in which you are required to pass necessary journal entries. So pass necessary journal entries in this question, and we will do this question tomorrow. But you have to try this question. You will tell me the journal entries tomorrow on Monday. So if you guys want to do more questions of this topic, then आप ले सकते हैं pro subscription. That is available only for 2,799 after discount at flat 20% off. So go and grab your pro subscription right now at flat 20% off by using my code SCPRO. तो जल्दी से जाए और अभी ले अपनी pro subscription. And I would love to teach you on pro subscription. So guys, if you are new to our channel and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more such sessions, for more such classes. And also, do give this video a big thumbs up, do like this video, and do share this video. Also, don't forget to join our official Telegram group, in which we share all the instant updates about our channel. We also share notes in the PDF form in this channel. So do join this group, and now stay tuned for the next session. See you all on Monday at 6 p.m. same place. So thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope that you guys like this session. So bye bye everyone, and do revise this topic, huh?